Hi, I'm Dawn, and I'm the Creatives Manager and one of many resident gamers here at Simply NUC. I won't take up much of your time, but I was hoping to steal a couple of minutes to talk to you about an awesome new gaming option, the Chronos SNUC Book, Simply NUC's latest laptop based on Intel's X15 laptop kit. So I know you're thinking, why should I care about this laptop as opposed to some other one? Well, not only does this lightweight 15.6-inch chassis features Intel's latest 11th gen i5 and i7 processors, it can also handle up to 64 gigabytes of RAM and up to 16 terabytes of storage, more than enough to create the exact laptop you want based on your unique needs. Still not hearing what makes it special? Well, what is it they say on those late night infomercials? But wait, there's more. But seriously, the best part and the most crucial part for any gamer is that they've also managed to make room in that lightweight chassis to fit a full-size NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070 graphics card. Not a mini, a full-size. So now we're cooking with gas. The NVIDIA discrete graphics card means real-time ray tracing, AI, and deep learning super sampling, which means cutting-edge hyper-realistic graphics, all in a thin, lightweight, durable magnesium alloy chassis with a glass click pad and a silent mechanical keyboard. All right, but that's great so far. Is it gonna sound like a jet plane taking off? And am I gonna burn my hand on it? Nope and nope. The dual fan cooling system is ultra quiet while keeping things cool, even when gaming for extended times, and Chronos can keep you going longer with up to 10 hours of battery life. Oh, and it's also got the super fast ports you need for your externals, like Intel Wi-Fi 6 and Thunderbolt 4. Anyway, looks like I'm just about out of time. Let's get this wrapped up. What we're trying to say is that Chronos gives you the flexibility, portability, and performance you need to create a powerful gaming laptop that's just right for you. You can literally throw it in your bag and take it wherever you want to game and create content on the go. So if you think it might be about time for you to upgrade and you want to learn more about Chronos, you can check it out here. That's all we've got. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.